I mean, I don't want to react, man. What the fuck? What? Next.
नहीं, ये बहुत यार ये अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियन नहीं है, बोरा ओपिनियन है. आई एम रियली सॉरी, प्लीज.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द स्पोर्ट्स जॉइन. आज थोड़ा अलग हटके बटके करने वाले हम लोग. वी आर गोना स्टार्ट अ न्यू सीरीज कॉल्ड द अनपॉपुलर ओपिनियन. व्यूअर डिस्क्रिप्शन, नन ऑफ दीज आर आवर opinions. We've just picked up some stuff from Instagram. We've put out a story where we've asked responses, and this is what some fans have responded. And we are not going to mention any of those names, but we are going to mention their opinions. And please do not get offended, because I genuinely feel there is going to be a lot of trash talk after this. Welcome Atul and Kushagra. I know we all three of us are going to have a blast of a time in the next 5-10 minutes. So let's start it off. One of our responders said Michael Clark is a better captain than Ponting and Waugh. Did great with less resources. Is this really unpopular?
I mean, I don't want to react, man. What the fuck? What? Michael Clark is better than.
I actually feel not unpopular but underrated opinion. Actually, it's an underrated opinion because we all can agree. See, Kushagra, we need to agree that having a Justin Langer, Matthew Hayden, Damien Martin, ठीक है, उसके बाद
तो क्या स्टीव वॉ, क्या वो मीम बन जाता है? जॉब छोड़ दूं मैं?
But again, Mark
Taylor, उसकी गलती है.
Those kind of players, you know, Michael Clark, when he was at his peak, when he was captaining, उस समय सारे नए नए बच्चे उसके अंडर आके परफॉर्म करे, and then these players are the ones who are the pioneers currently in the
one thing we can give to Michael Clark is he took over during a transition phase for Australia.
Fair enough. I mean,
fair enough.
He did take over a transitional team, but
Kushagra isn't satisfied with my answer.
No, yaar, I'm sorry, nahi yaar.
Kushagra, but think of it.
Steve Waugh for me is the greatest. उसके बाद रिकी पॉन्टिंग, उसके बाद माइकल क्लार्क भी नहीं हो. In fact, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के
Mark Taylor.
Alan Border would be higher than Steve Waugh also, I think, Australia में.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I don't think यार, मतलब ठीक है, कह सकते हो, पप बुलाते हैं. माइकल क्लार्क बहुत पॉपुलर.
Don't be the
respectfully disagree. Hashtag respectfully disagree.
Yes.
From one person, I don't know.
Chalo, I guess Atul goes first.
So we've got a split vote here. Yeah, we've got a split vote here. That's a good start. Moving on to the next one. हाँ, बता.
Kind of people you have got here, it's going to be split for a lot of things.
Should be. Yeah, it should be. And ideally, I don't mind this. So let's see. The second responder says AI will replace umpires for good. On-field conflict resolution could be an issue though.
तो क्या मतलब लड़ाई बड़ाई रोकेंगे?
I just hope that they. हाँ, बता.
People might have seen that Abhishek Upanyu stand up recently where he said कि जाओ थर्ड अंपायर से ही पूछ लो, हम तो कैप में मूंगफली लेके आते हैं.
नहीं, वो कहता ना कि वो ऑफेंड हो जाता है जब आउट का नॉट आउट पूछ लो.
All in all, if it's not disrespectful for the umpire that you're challenging his decision, all in all, AI का जितना अभी तक वो आ चुका है, मतलब कि हर चीज पे अल्ट्रा एज, ठीक है, अल्ट्रा एज मेक सेंस. उसके बाद फिर ऐसे कि पिचिंग इन लाइन, इम्पैक्ट आउटसाइड ऑफ 40 सेंटीमीटर, दिस एंड दैट. After some point of time you won't need actually, मेरे को लगता है. बट ऑल इन ऑल जो बोले ना, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होगा. सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि अब तो हमारे प्लेयर, मतलब नॉट हमारे प्लेयर, जाके अंपायर से ही आधे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट करते हैं ना.
Just to add to what Atul said, do you think cricket really has that much money to totally replace a human being with a robot? I mean, let's talk honestly. That's incredible amount of expectation.
Cricket does have that.
Kushagra, I would love your point on this, because Anurag, you put the point a bit incorrectly. Does all the boards have that much money to do that kind of a thing?
Yeah.
अरे यार, it's just like,
Hi Zimbabwe.
पता क्या हुआ था? ये मैं आप लोग को थोड़ा सा, I know and we're supposed to be shorter, but yeah, quickly, अगर सबके लिए rules same नहीं है, it's just like VAR in football, it's like the Hawkeye technology in tennis. अगर सबके लिए रूल्स सेम नहीं है, अगर आपके सिर्फ सेंटर कोर्ट पे हॉकाई और आउटसाइड कोर्ट्स पे हॉकाई नहीं है, जो कि पहले हुआ करता था टूर्नामेंट्स में, एंड सिमिलरली आपकी सिर्फ टॉप लीग में VAR है, बॉटम लीग्स में नहीं है, तो फिर मतलब इट्स नॉट इक्वल ना फिर एवरीवन. सिमिलरली अगर AI सिर्फ BCCI, ECB और CA अफोर्ड कर सकता है, बाकी सब नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते, तो फिर हाउ इज दैट फेयर? So I just feel like, I mean, even DRS consistent नहीं है. अतुल, just एक second, even DRS हमने वेस्ट इंडीज और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो DRS, वेस्ट इंडीज और पाकिस्तान में जो DRS यूज हुआ है अभी रिसेंट सीरीज में,
oh god,
it's not the same as the DRS as us, and it's not nowhere near the same as DRS used in Australia. तो भाई जब इसी में डिस्क्रिपेंसी है तो क्या AI केड़ा?
अरे कुशाग्र, don't you remember we had a chat when we said कि Pujara when he played that, he played or didn't play that shot?
Yeah, I know.
He didn't play the shot. And when Rohit Sharma did the same, he offered the bat. He did. इतना ही margin for error अगर इतना ज़्यादा है, तो we still don't know कि we can go with AI or not.
Yeah, man. Like seriously, I think when it comes to these subjective aspects, I really want to see what that computer will decide. Did he offer the shot or not?
Computer.
मजा आएगा वो.
Computer भी.
Yeah.
क्या shot offer किया गया था कि नहीं?
All right. On that note, our next opinion is okay. This one is very, very, very controversial and spicy. I'm sure हमारे दोनों जो expert panelists हैं उनके मुंह के धज्जे उड़ जाएंगे अभी उनके reactions. I really want to watch it. VVS Lakshman is a great cricketer, but in my opinion, he is overrated considering his achievements and career duration.
Next.
I don't know. I mean, hashtag
I am sorry. कौन है? I am sure. Like अतुल और मैं जानते नहीं है किसकी ओपिनियन है. But अतुल you start यार. मतलब अगर VVS लक्ष्मण रेटेड नहीं है तो कौन है भाई?
नयन मोंगिया.
Okay. We already were shitting on one cricketer. We were shitting on one cricketer and you've added just another name. Fabulous. Thank you. So it's two people who are never going to appear on TSG.
I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
When I heard that unpopular opinion, Atul.exe stopped working. Just for the moments VVS Lakshman has given to the country and to the Indian cricket, he can't be overrated. That partnership with Mr. Rahul Dravid.
If anything is underrated.
So many partnerships.
If anything is underrated, isn't he?
See, actually, after the Sachins and the Dravids and the Gangulis, even after the Sehwags, then comes the name of VVS Lakshman. See, obviously, he is not at fault.
You could make a strong case for him as one of the top 5 batsmen in Indian cricket. Like at least in tests, you can make a case. Maybe if he ends up there or not is a difference.
And not just a batsman. For Sunrisers Hyderabad, he's been a great mentor as well. So you know that the person knows his game. So all in all, not overrated. I'm really sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
This... Politely disagree.
Hashtag respectfully disagree. That's the trend we're gonna keep following on, and I'm sure the next one is gonna cause quite a good debate between the both of them. And I'll just tell it out. I'll shut myself up for the next 10 minutes. So here we go. Andrew Flintoff was the more impactful and flamboyant all-rounder than Jack Kallis.
Oh God, ये तो बात. मरे तुम शुरू करो.
Because somewhat I know. यहाँ पे एक एजेंडा है एंड्रू फ्लिंटॉफ वाला, एक है जैक कैलिस वाला. I'm the one who holds the end of agenda. Unpopular opinion नहीं कहूँगा, बहुत अच्छा opinion कहूँगा मैं तो obviously.
और क्या.
But all in all, I think जैसे मैंने अभी VVS लक्ष्मण की बात करी थी ना, the same goes with Andrew Flintoff. The moments he has given for England, which are very rare. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत सारे moments दिए. Jack Kallis had a long career. Kudos to Jack Kallis for that. But see, for all the shithousery that Flintoff has done, that taking off his t-shirt and doing that, giving us the Dada moment, post that like the Yuvraj moment, giving us the 6 moment. Apart from it, see, we remember him for the 2005 Ashes, but to be honest, Flintoff was more than that.
And that over to Jack Kallis.
The best way to settle the debate is YouTube link भेज दी जाएगी आपको उस ओवर की. But all in all, not just the 2005 Ashes, उससे पहले भी फ्लिंटॉफ हैज बीन प्रूविंग हिमसेल्फ. उसके बाद भी जब तक वो खेले, बट वो हम लोग की एक आदत होती है ना, हम एक चीज से एसोसिएट कर देते हैं उस प्लेयर को. वो दिक्कत है. अब जैसे कि यू सी द जैक कैलिस वाले कंपैरिजन बिफोर कुशाग्र टॉक्स अबाउट द very comparison.
So basically what Atul means to say is Kallis doesn't have such individual movements, but still 13,000 runs is not
that very
not a
man
huge deal.
player
No,
where it said
just a few.
he has almost the same runs as Sachin Tendulkar and almost the same wickets as Zaheer Khan.
Just Zaheer Khan, yeah.
ठीक है, वो स्टैट काफी है दिखाने के लिए कि he is a legend, but the words used here, flamboyant, भाई Andrew Flintoff is the one who's
it's more impactful is another word that was being used.
जब तक Flintoff खेला impactful था, उसके बाद बॉक्सिंग करने चला गया, वहाँ भी impact था.
The thing is कि one thing you'll have to concede to Atul in his point is in terms of moments, because England और Australia की इतनी storied rivalry है, so moments stand out. It's not just 2005 Ashes. For me, the 2009 Ashes was also spectacular, and everything else. So Andrew Flintoff का इसलिए because it came after an era of what 25 years of consistent losing for England, which they're very used to with the Aussies. They're very used to getting beaten up by the Aussies.
After a certain Ronnie Irani, Andrew Flintoff looks like a gold mine.
Of course, नहीं exactly. उससे पहले पूछते थे उनके देखो तो कौन-कौन से थे, वो डोमिनिक कॉर्क, रॉनी ईरानी and Paul Collingwood. All of these lovely medium pacer all-rounders.
After Graham Hick, it was Andrew Flintoff.
Wow, मतलब हाँ, actually if you look at it in that manner, but yes, definitely. I mean, Andrew Flintoff and Jack Kallis, दोनों legends. But in terms of who was the better all-rounder, sorry यार, अतुल मतलब यार
just
भाई
the stats are just incomparable in one sense.
यार and it's not just the stats यार. अगर एंड्रू फ्लिंटॉफ के पास इतनी सारी एशेज विक्ट्रीज हैं, तो जैक कालिस के पास कंसिस्टेंट 3 बैक-टू-बैक विक्ट्रीज इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैं for South Africa. No team has ever done
Also
it. To win
I don't
3
think the
away tours in a row.
9-year unbeaten away tour. I don't think
away
that record is talked about
Coming
much.
to India, beating India, going to England, beating England, New Zealand, beating New Zealand, everyone.
KKR fan, 2014 IPL, Jack Kallis one of the major part.
हाँ, लेकिन फ्लिंटॉफ ने IPL में क्या किया?
Oh God.
वो खेला ही चेन्नई के लिए था.
This is one of those opinions which I'm sure it'll trigger at least one of the two. मैंने specifically डाला था कि cricket opinions ही डालो, but हमारे एक भाई साहब ने डाल ही दिया है, तो चलो I'll just put it up. Djokovic is better than Nadal and Federer. Yeah, should I just say bye?
I think तूने 10 मिनट का टाइम ले रखा था, बढ़ नहीं गया?
Yeah.
Time ले रहा हुआ.
Whole time. यार क्यों? मतलब यार okay, it offends me so much कि मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ कुछ. अतुल तू शुरू कर, then I will start.
I'll tell you. You can count those 3 as legends, no doubt. Djokovic has proven his worth as a top tennis player, but greater के बड़े वाले साइड पे आप जोकोविच को नहीं रख सकते.
He doesn't start the equation.
So sweet. He put it.
ठीक है, तो अगेन जो हमने कहा था ना, the moments that have been given to us, Rafa and Roger have been the thing, and it stretched for some time. Can you think about that? It wasn't 2 साल चला. आज भी अगर तुम राफा वर्सेस रॉजर करा दोगे तो क्राउड वो उमड़ के आ जाएगा, whether it be any country. He always had that fitness issue with him. You know, Australian Open खेलने जाता था गर्मी से, ये सब, उसको रिटायर होना ही पड़ता था. That didn't happen once, it happened twice or thrice if I'm not wrong, in multiple tournaments. So then he had to like फिर से अपने आप को revamp किया, and kudos to him for that. लेकिन नहीं, ये बहुत यार ये unpopular opinion नहीं है, बुरा opinion है. I'm really sorry, please.
नहीं, I mean ठीक है. Once again, opinions तो हर किसी के पास हो सकती हैं.
Democracy, India is democracy.
No, it's all right.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
Yeah, as far as Djokovic is
recorded.
You know, so you can say कि it is not a surprise that Novak has been able to catch up to these guys. But to be very honest, if you sit down today and compare their records, then I don't know. I find it hard to think that whether Novak has maintained that level for that long, because whenever he's been at the top, he's always had Rafa, Roger around him. He's not been able to pull away. Whereas what Rafa and Roger did, they pulled away from everyone who existed at that point in time. ठीक है, हर किसी के लिए होता है.
चलो, everyone is
But
entitled to
yeah,
their
all three of them are
opinions.
champions, absolute champions. But they can only
But
be
again,
one god. They can only be one god.
# respectfully disagree once again. Kushagra, I love the fact that Kushagra disagreed with all 5 opinions, and I think that's the beauty of
Did
this
I?
show. We are going, yeah, you did. You disagreed with every opinion that just came along.
Welcome
to
It's quite
Sports
lovely to
Joy.
see that happening. Welcome to the Sports
Welcome to
Joy.
the Sports Joy.
इधर किसी को भी इतना मनाना इतना आसान नहीं है. And thank you so much for watching. As I said again, these are not our views. These are just public opinions that we put out without revealing their names. You can keep sending us your opinions on Instagram or anywhere you can. We'll try and put those in our next few segments of the unpopular opinion. We'll keep making a series of this. So please,
even
हाँ,
comment.
YouTube
comment
वीडियो
में
पे भी
करो,
डाल
हाँ.
दीजिए. Comments में डाल दीजिए.
YouTube किधर भी करो, हमको बस एंगेजमेंट चाहिए. एंगेजमेंट बढ़ाने के लिए कुछ भी कर देंगे हम लोग. मतलब चलो, no problem. Thank you so much
This
for
was an
watching.
honest opinion.
Please keep it tuned to the Sports
This
Joy.
was an honest
This was an
opinion.
honest opinion. Yes. इतना honest channel आपको किधर नहीं मिलेगा. So please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care.